Okay, just want to let my friends know, hey, there's a good deal going on right now, and it has to do with squirt bottles. These squirt bottles are 99 cents at Menards, and this is not a sponsored video, paid for this with our own hard cash. So they're 99 cents at Menards, and after the rebate, they are free. So it's a good deal that's going on right now. Make sure you act on it. 99-cent squirt bottles, and they're free after the rebate. So what's with all these squirt bottles? Well, you know, when you're working with detailing products or anything that needs a dilution, you have to have squirt bottles. So I contacted this company, Superior, and I ordered their detailer's kit, and I ordered it through Oreilly's because that's Oreilly's and Napa. They're one of the distributors for Superior products. Superior's out of Illinois. This is ordered for Jake, and this is a detailer's kit. The products need dilution. This one is Rage. This one is Easy Shine. We got Aqua Gloss. And we have Firepower. And then finally, we have Coverall. So all of these products are going to need to be diluted and put into a squirt bottle. So if you start to add up the cost of squirt bottles sometimes can go anywhere from 99 cents to like $8. So it starts to add up. So find a good deal. Let everyone know and help people save money. So the cool thing about Superior is they make their own stuff, and sometimes you'll see a company out there talking about a particular product. They'll have their own squirt bottle with their own label, and then you wonder, right? Are they a chemical plant? Are they making their own products, or are they pumping out of a 55-gallon drum, putting it into a squirt bottle, diluting it with some water, and then putting their label on it? These people actually have a chemical plant. That's what they told me. And you can talk to Gigi, aka Jolene, and she'll explain what they can do for you if you want to start creating your own private label. But right now, I have yet to try these products, and I will dilute them and put them in squirt bottles, and then put a video out so you can see what they do. But it's a good deal with these squirt bottles, and these products right here need to be diluted. For example, this one, the dilution rate, well, this one doesn't say, but alright, you still got to put in a squirt bottle, right? This one here is their dilution ratio. It says here 4 parts to 1 part, 4 parts water to 1 part cleaner. Firepower dilution rate is going to be, alright, greasy full strength 1:1, otherwise tires and carpet, you can go all the way to 150 to 1 for glass and mirrors. So if you're looking for some decent products, decent prices, Menards has a good deal on these. Superior has a good deal on their products. So this was only $39. This whole box right here, $39 for all of these products, which get diluted to make more products and make your money go a long way. So, all right, if you're into this kind of stuff, tell your friends when you see a good deal. All right, thank you very much, and you guys have a great day. All right, thank you.